Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on your Facebook account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to go live from your account, then within your status update section, tap on the What's on Your Mind box. And now you will see the live video option. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will now open up your live feed, where you will be asked to allow camera access if you haven't done so already. You can also rotate your camera within the front and the back camera by using the rotate button. You can add your description by tapping on the add description box, and you may also share to your story. After choosing all of your desired options, such as stickers, effects, and enhance options, as well as text, you can choose who will be allowed to view your live stream by tapping on the Friends or Public drop-down menu and choosing your desired setting. You may also invite another participant by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom left. After all of your settings have been set, you can tap on the Go Live button, and now your live stream will officially begin on Facebook. Once you are done with your live stream, you can once again tap on the same button, where instead of Go Live, you will see the Stop Streaming option. After tapping on it, your streaming will be stopped. And there you have it. That is how you can go live on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.